Hi, and welcome to our new video about our Kid Smart Reporting tool for Clarity PPM. I'm Lisa, and I'm going to show you how you can continue to use Jaspersoft reporting for Clarity beyond 2026. Broadcom will no longer provide Jaspersoft for Clarity beyond mid-2026. Clarity customers have invested a lot in reporting based on Jaspersoft. Now they have the choice between reinvesting in a new reporting tool or continue using the existing reports with our Kid Smart Reporting. Our Kid Smart Reporting includes all the necessary Jaspersoft licenses to continue using our existing reports and to create new reports with Jaspersoft Studio. Also, our Kid Smart Reporting tool provides users flexible, configurable drop-down menus on every desired screen, allowing to execute the reports and in the desired format. Protect your investments in the reports you have created and simply continue using Jaspersoft with Smart Reporting and Clarity PPM. In addition, the reports can be made available to users in a more flexible and improved manner than before. In this video, I will show you 3 different ways to integrate reports with Smart Reporting in Clarity PPM. Let's get started. With Kid's Action menu, you can make reports available on any page in Clarity. In our example, we have integrated 5 standard reports from Clarity into the report creation page. When we click on the report, the parameter window appears. For each report, you can configure which parameters and filters can be set for the report. You can also configure the look and feel of the fields, buttons, and sections separately for each report. For example, you can determine the height and width of the fields, set backgrounds, and group fields into sections. Once we have set all the necessary parameters, we can run the report with a single click. Depending on the output format I have selected, the result is made available to me as a download. Another option is to call up the report directly from a context, without the parameter window. Let's assume we have created a portfolio report that we want to call up from the detailed screen of a portfolio. In this case, we have already selected the corresponding portfolio. Smart Reporting can be configured to transfer the ID of the portfolio directly to the report. This saves us clicks and allows us to download the report directly. Then I click on the menu and select Roadmap, Timeline, Direct. The download starts and I can now open the file. There is another way to call up a report with Smart Reporting, which is particularly useful if we want to call up a report for several instances, for example, projects, ideas, etc. In this case, we don't have to click into each project and run the report, but can use Clarity's list selection. In our example, we want to call up the project storyboard report for 3 projects. To do this, we have to select the 3 projects from the list and now have 3 different options for how Smart Reporting can provide us with the reports. First, the reports can be created individually and collected in a zip file for download. Second, each report can be created and downloaded one after the other. Third, if the project has been created accordingly, all projects can be transferred to the report as a list. In this case, a file is generated that displays one project on each individual page. You can also access your Jaspersoft reports in the classic interface. This works in exactly the same way as in the modern UX via the Smart menu, which is represented here by 3 dots. In addition, you can of course also use the menu to determine which users or user groups have access to the reports. So, to summarize once again, with Kid Smart Reporting, you can continue to use your Jaspersoft reports in Clarity and create new reports or edit existing ones with Studio. Smart Reporting includes all necessary Jaspersoft licenses for this purpose. The Action menu allows you to make reports available to users on any page in Clarity in a more flexible and improved manner than before. As part of the user license, you will receive a compatible